Hi everyone, today I will be showing you how our copy trading app works. Forex traders can significantly benefit from copy trading by leveraging the expertise and strategies of seasoned professionals without needing extensive knowledge or time to analyze the market themselves. This approach allows them to replicate the trades of successful traders automatically, potentially achieving similar returns with minimal effort. It also offers a valuable learning opportunity as traders can observe the strategies and decision-making process of experts in real time. Additionally, copy trading provides a way to diversify their portfolio by following multiple traders with different approaches, thereby spreading risk and increase the likelihood of consistent gains. So first, let's go to Apple or Google Store and search for Copy Trading by Taurex and download it on your phone. If you haven't registered with us, please click on the button here and it will take you to the sign up page. You just need to fill in some basic information and click on register. After filling out the registration form, you will see that to complete registration, check your email to confirm your account. After you link your trading account into our copy trading app, from the Discover page, you will be able to see the current signal providers and whether they are the low drawdown, medium, or high, as well as the free strategies and the new strategies. And if you click on the profile, you will be able to see their return history and the profitability, and you can just click on copy their trade by the button here. So after you manage to log into our copy trading app, you can just first go to the account and then link a trading account to the app by selecting the server, whether it is MT4 or MT5, and entering account number, password, whether you're a copier or you're a signal provider, and click on done. On this page here, you will be able to see the performance fee charged by the signal provider. In this case, it's 30%, and you can choose the trade size, whether it is a fixed size, or you want a mirror master size, or proportional by equity or by balance. And just click on this and agree and copy. Click on confirm that you read the terms and conditions. Click on OK. And that's how you can copy someone's trades through our app.